Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be doing a little fishing today at the Sawyer Lake State Park. Turn the camera around, show you the park. Here she is. I'm at a little park section. I actually have never been here before. If I'd known there was a bench here, I wouldn't have bothered bringing a chair with me. But, you know, it is what it is. So, pretty nice. I found it on Google Maps. I just started looking around on Google Maps and said, hey, there's something blue. Zoomed in, looked at the name, got the directions. And, yeah. Man, kind of sad. I don't know if the camera will show this, but there appears to be a fish on its side. See if I can get to the... It's hard to tell. Where are you? It may be too small. Well, no, I think it's right there. So I'm zoomed in as much as I can. It's like a fish on its side, and it's been flopping around. So I don't know if someone just released it or what the deal is, but kind of feel bad for it. But he's too far out to get to, and I can't put him out of his misery. So anyway, I'm probably going to start with some trolling and sort of go from there. All right, I just want to say I'm not a pro fisherman. In fact, it's been a long time since I've fished, and I had my buddy of mine. He basically taught me how to fish, and that was quite a while ago. And I didn't bring bug spray, so that could be a problem. Because you know they gotta go right for your face. I don't even know what's in this lake. And that was just 2 horrendous casts in a row. What the hell? Alright, so I got bobber on here and I got a little piece of power bait you probably can't see, but I had some pretty horrendous casting at first. Pretty embarrassing, really. But that one was pretty bad as well, but I'm just going to run with it. Let me set this. Set it on the ground. So naturally the wind is blowing towards me, so it's going to slightly push that bobber at me, which I'll have to constantly get up every now and then and cast it back out again. At some point I'll probably walk around the park a little bit. So, see this I don't get. It's got ice in there still. So it's got to be either this morning or last night, I think. I don't know why they left it. I mean, other than the lid being broken, but like, dude, pack it out, man. You know, I was just looking around to see if there was like a dock or something, and I saw this cord here. Looks like it's anchored to the ground. Well, nailed in poorly, but looks like they left a fish behind. I think in smallmouth bath, what do you guys think? Of course it's dead, but I don't approve of them leaving their rope behind. It's like, dude, are you serious? Someone could have eaten that fish, or at least let it go if you're not going to take it. Damn. And there's another one that was flopping around too. Like they just maybe got off the rope somehow. And beer can over here, and I didn't bring garbage bags again because I'm dumb. Damn it. What a waste. So yeah, just sitting here watching my bobber. You know, I gotta be really honest with myself. My fishing is on the very, very low end. It sucks. I mean, I'm just gonna call a spade a spade. My fishing really sucks. I need to start watching some videos on fishing, but man, all the subscribers I'm sub to are putting up some great content, and he takes up a lot of my time. Not that it's a bad thing, but you know, I gotta find some info. How's it going?
Good.
Catch anything?
No.
No?
No.
Huh?
Don't have any luck.
No luck, huh?
No.
Same. The lake is just super calm right now, other than the guy mowing this grass, but you know, it's surrounded by homes. What are you gonna do? But I haven't gotten a single nibble, nothing. I'm about to call it. Maybe have another stab at it. Thinking about getting some kind of flotation device. A number of people are saying kayak's the way to go, so maybe I'll look into a kayak. I'm gonna find out one that will, you know, suitable for my weight. I've never actually been in a kayak before. Oh. It would be my first time. Maybe I'll just go ahead and make the call. Go cook some lunch and proceed with my day off. Alrighty, so I'm back at the truck. Just decided to wrap it up and get a single nibble. Gonna do a little bit more research, I think. And as always, I appreciate you all watching. Had to seem a little horrendous to some of you who've been fishing for years, but I haven't been fishing very long or very much, so you know, it's a place to start. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.